So today I have the Apple Airtags and I'm going to review it, talk about its accessories and show you why exactly you shouldn't buy a tile if you have an iPhone. Guys, you're watching VidTube and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here's where I review smartwatch, smartphones, headphones and smart tech like this Apple Airtags. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. For your convenience, everything is timestamped along the video timeline. So let's talk about price and unboxing. Apple's AirTag are listed for 39 Canadian dollar for one, and a pack of 4 will cost 129 Canadian dollar with free personal engraving. Versus the Tile Pro is listed for 35 Canadian dollar and a pack of 4 will cost you 100 Canadian dollar. So there ain't a significant price difference, and that's one of the many points that you should get an AirTag over the Tile. For those whom it matters, Apple Airtags have a superior unboxing experience over Tile. Minimalist packaging, nicely presented, and the best part is Airtags come with free engraving. Now the personal engraving is limited to 4 characters only, also along with preset emojis that you can select from Apple's website, but I'm sure you will find something that you really like. I got vids, that is the first part of my channel's name. Yes, I said channels as I have a second channel of short form videos linked in the video description. Be sure to get subscribed to both of my YouTube channels. Let's go ahead and peel off the stickers, which will also activate the Apple AirTags. And I'll briefly show you the setup process. The AirTags will instantly pop up on your iPhone when you bring them in a close proximity to your iPhone. I have iPhone 12 mini and I have done a full review of this iPhone 12 mini linked up in the card section. Check it out once you're done watching this one. So go ahead and press connect. Name your AirTags and register them with your details. That's it, you're all set. This is another reason to get AirTags over Tile, as AirTags literally takes only 3 clicks to get them all set up. Yes, you cannot connect AirTag to an Android phone like you can with the Tile trackers, but with Tile you have to download their app, create an account and go through the whole setup process. So just do yourself a favor and get an AirTag if you have an iPhone. Now let's briefly talk about the AirTags accessory and keychains. Right off the bat, do yourself another favor. If you get an AirTag, head down to the video description and check out all the AirTag accessories on Amazon, as you don't want to spend more than what you already did for your AirTags on its accessory by purchasing accessories from Apple's website. Unless you are into Hermes, in that case, get ready to loosen up your wallet to up to $500 for just a tiny little keychain. As mentioned above, you can get free personal engraving with Apple AirTags, which is not an option with Tile. Tile has one plus point: you don't need accessories as they come with a keychain ring, and their Tile stickers can be sticked on to any surface, as I have sticked their Tile sticker to my TV's remote. Now if you want to stick your AirTag like I did with the Tile sticker, don't you worry, you can do that with an AirTag silicone case with a back adhesive, and you can find a pack of 4 in the video description for just $15. For keychains, I got this Kenbu silicone case for only $8, where you just slide the AirTag inside with either the Apple logo facing out from the center cutout, which I wouldn't recommend as it gets scratched super easily. After that, attach the hook and you are all set to either attach it to your keys or on your backpack. The center cutout is sufficiently wide to completely display your custom engraving. So with all that said, let's talk about tracking. Now neither AirTag or Tile are a GPS tracker, rather they are a Bluetooth tracker, so they have to be in a close proximity to a Bluetooth phone with an internet connection, which can then update the cloud of either Apple or Tile about your lost tracker anonymously. So unlike a GPS tracker, this Tile or AirTag has to be where a phone can reach it. So if you were to drop this AirTag or Tile on a remote deserted island with no human life on it, then you will never find it. So with this tracking mechanism in context, Apple clearly has an advantage with over 1 billion Apple phones around the world. So you are more likely to find your AirTag with the Apple's Find My Phone network versus Tile, Just for perspective, I am located in Winnipeg, Canada, and around the southeast part of the city there are only less than 700 Tile users, but I bet every household would have an Apple product. Now, there are a lot of videos out there where people have tried to find their lost item, pet, or person with the AirTag either deliberately lost or unintentionally stolen. But like me, if your goal is to track your keys, remote control, or things that you would easily lose in your household or your kids might easily misplace them, then you must go with AirTags over Tile. Not to mention, even for outdoor, AirTags are better than Tile due to the vast number of Apple users over Tile. Guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking around, and please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Come on guys, do it, it will help me a lot. So let's do a test. My wife has intentionally kept the keys with the AirTags somewhere in the house and the TV remote with the Tile sticker somewhere in the house, in a way that the speaker is at a disadvantage of it being heard by me. The TV is also set to be loud in the background, so it's hard for me to hear the noises that these trackers would make. Now, AirTag uses the ultra-wideband technology for precision finding. Ultra-wideband is available on iPhone 11 and higher up models. So the advantage is that the phone can precisely know the location of the AirTags in space around you and guide you where exactly to find it. To be honest, it's quite innovative and addictive. From my multiple tests, I was able to find AirTags every single time without even needing to play the sound. And the cool part is the vibratory feedback guides you. The vibrations get heavier when you get close to the AirTag. On the other hand, the Tile tracker does not have the precision finding like the AirTag, so I have to heavily rely on the sound, and when the speaker of the Tile is covered up and the background noise of the TV or kids are loud, it becomes really hard to find it. There are rings around the Tile and they increase in numbers as I approach close to the Tile. So unlike AirTags, you really have to listen closely to find the Tile. There were many instances where the Tile kept looking for the tracker and was unable to connect to the phone, so the tracker did not beep. In short, for a couple of instances, I had to ask my wife where did she hide the remote, or I had to turn down the background noises to really listen and find the tracker. So let's do a quick sound test by placing them both in a tightly closed fist and see which one is easy to listen. So clearly with the above tests, for indoor tracking, I would 100% with no doubt prefer AirTag over a Tile. And for outdoor tracking, again with the Apple's Find My Phone network, you're highly likely to find your AirTag faster than the Tile. Comment down below if you want me to make videos about outdoor tracking. Now before my final verdict, the weight of the AirTag is 10.88 grams without any accessories, and the weight of the Tile sticker is 5.93 grams. AirTags have an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, and it can survive to a max of 1 meter depth for 30 minutes, which I would never recommend, but it's a clear advantage over the Tile, which has an exposed speaker along with the button. Tile claims it to be waterproof, but that ain't the case with the Tile Pro and the Tile Mate. In terms of battery, the Tile sticker does not have a user replaceable battery and it's rated for up to 3 years, so after 3 years you just have to throw it away, versus the Tile Pro and Tile Mate uses a CR2032 battery just like the Apple AirTags. Now to access the battery compartment on AirTag, you have to press and twist the silver back counterclockwise and it will pop up revealing the CR2032 battery rated for up to 1 year. Now this is how the inside of AirTags look like. It's remarkably thin without the battery and the back silver case. Here is how the tile sticker looks like in respect to the CR2032 battery and the Apple Airtag components. So here's my final verdict. If you have an iPhone 11 or higher up model, just go with Airtag, as there ain't a huge difference in terms of price between Airtags and Tile. Even their accessories are relatively cheap if you go with a third-party manufacturer. But with Airtags, you will get a huge advantage of the Apple's Find My Phone network for outdoor tracking of your lost item or pet versus the Tile, and the ultra-wideband precision finding works like a charm for indoor tracking. 9 out of 10 times I did not even play a sound to find the Airtag. It's that great. Plus the ornamental look and the free personal engraving is the cherry on top. So let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts, and let me know if you want me to do the outdoor real world test. With that said, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Also follow me on my other social media network for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thanks so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.